Hello, to all Gunpla builders, enthusiasts, hobbyists, and collectors. This is HobbyBuild TV, where building your hobby is fun. Today, we are going to show to you the latest Gunpla lineup for the month of May 2021. SDW Heroes, Benjamin V2 Gundam, price 770 yen. HGAC, 1:144, Gundam Deathscythe, price 1,650 yen. SDW Heroes, Edward II V, price 660 yen. Entry grade, 1:144, RX-78-2 Gundam, price 770 yen. Finally, these are your latest Gunpla lineup for the month of May 2021. For more information, visit bandai-hobby.net. Be sure to subscribe this YouTube channel, HobbyBuild TV, and follow us on our Facebook page, at HobbyBuild TV, for more Gunpla related news and updates. Thanks for watching.